This is a thumper. I'm not sure who made it, but it was sent to me by C Studio in a package with a bunch of them. This one actually works really well with the key. It's one of the smoothest challenge locks I've encountered as far as the key goes. So I'll try to get into it if I can get myself some room over here. I'm just going to use the Moki standard and Lalox Tools 47,000th pry bar. One, maybe 1, 2, 3. I must not have got one all the way up there. 1. Now tooth binding. 2. 3. 4. And I guess I must have touched 5 while I was lifting 4, and that opened it up. But that is thumper.